Hey, so what you're seeing here is an Sx-880 being given a circuit board transplant. So I got this 880 a while back, and it would cut out at more than half volume. And so I got doing some repairs to it, replaced one of the power transistors on here, and a bunch of little components here and there, and never got it to work right. And then I don't know, I think I might have bricked it, replaced some capacitors, replaced the main filter caps. But as you know how things go, it didn't end up the way I was hoping. So then I finally happened upon a spare board on eBay, and I grabbed that. So now just removing all the wires, labeling them as I'm going, and gonna have to transplant all of the potentiometers and switches and stuff as well too, because the seller took them off and sold them separately. But I'm sure that the ones I've got will work, but it will be lots of work doing all that. Anyway, this is what has to be done. And so yeah, I'm there. Just a little more background on these 880s. I think it's this preamp. It kind of has something to do with the protection circuit. If the channels are not balanced or whatever, it won't engage the protection relay. And so on mine here, on the original, as you can see, that transistor got really hot. They get hot because of a lot of draw. Anyway, so maybe when that blew, it took out the preamp chip there. I don't know, but that's a common issue with these, as to why the protection circuit doesn't close on them or kicks out at a higher volume, which mine was doing. So we'll see how it goes. Here's where I've gotten so far. I've gotten all the switches and potentiometers onto the new board. There's the old one. Gonna keep that around, obviously, for parts. Good to keep. So now we're gonna carry on and remove all of the leftover wires and start reattaching and putting the new one in. So just another little status update, how it's going. So these wire connections, they're spiral wound onto the posts. And so when I was taking them off, I just kind of loosened them by winding them in the reverse direction. And quite a few of them I've been able to get back on. So they'll come off like that. And I've been able to push quite a few of them back on to the posts, and then just retwist them. So that seems to be working pretty well. A little bit further progress. I have the new board in, all wired, but I did mind my pajama pants, sorry. I did use a dim bulb here on this because I had a bad feeling. Just wanted to be safe. And sure enough, the two right channel chips, transistors were fried and it had a full short circuit to ground, and so the bulb saved me from frying anything else. And so now I'm gonna have to source a couple more transistors. I have to look into seeing if I gotta match all 4. Not too sure. This is just gonna be for me, so I'm not too worried about being perfect on it. But yeah, so see, well, the dim bulb did come on, but we got some life. And there's the protection circuit clicking. It's a little distorted, I think, because I've got it running through the bulb. Okay, well, that's all for now. I guess I am somewhat successful. I mean, anytime you can do something like as involved as this, and you don't completely mess it up, I think that's pretty good. There's always something new to learn. Anyway, hopefully next video I will have this all nice and set up with the speakers in my listening room. So, okay, take her easy.